Hi friends, it's Soda's Creative Corner, and I got my mystery box, and I'm going to go ahead and weigh it in. And as I do, I just wanted you to meet my cat, Winnie Pooh. He decided he's going to come in and say hi to everybody. Let him turn around. Say hi, Pooh. Hmm? You going to sit there and relax? Oh, okay. Well, you go ahead and groom yourself, and I'll go ahead and finish up this video, okay? Good boy. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this box and find out what the weight is, and I'll be right back. So I have the box on the scale, and it's coming in at 17 pounds. 17 pounds of jewelry, fashion jewelry. Some wearable and some not. The last time I got one of these jewelry boxes, it just took 10 pieces and I got my money back. Just selling it at $5 and $10, and there's surely more than 10 or 12 pieces in here. So I thought I'm going to do a later on live unboxing, and if you're not too busy, I'll go ahead and let you know, and then maybe you can come join and watch me unbox. So I'll see you later. Have a great evening. Bye for now. God bless.